This is the Bellows Plus. It's a direct drop-in hopper replacement for the Malkonig EK43, K30, K30 Twin, and Peak grinders. It comes pre-assembled, ready to use. Simply twist and lock to operate. It has 5 parts. It comes with an anodized aluminum lid, a food-grade silicone bellow. Inside the bellow, there is a plastic tunnel. Pressing on the bottom of the tunnel will eject it. And the housing, which has a control valve, pulling the valve out by pulling from the bottom of it. No tools are required to assemble or disassemble for easy cleaning. To reassemble, we start with the silicone bellow and the tunnel. Drop it right through the center of it, and we want it to seat on the very first rib of the bellow by pressing gently on the top of it. It will give you a little satisfying snappy sound. There we go. We do not want it to be on these other ribs. It needs to be on the very top rib for it to function properly. You'll see it seated like very smoothly like that. Then we take the housing and press and maybe give it a little twist to get it all the way in there. Making sure that we didn't move the tunnel out of the way. Then optionally, you can insert the control valve. This is good if you have a workflow that involves having your grinder running without a load first before introducing coffee beans into it. What this valve will do is it will hold the coffee in the chamber until you press down on it. So you can have your grinder on with coffee in it and then press down on it to let the beans go into an already running coffee grinder. It's supposed to increase your uniformity a little bit, but it really depends on your workflow and how you like to make your coffee. Then finally, there's the lid. I'm also including for free a lid guard. It's made out of plastic. It will snap over the aluminum lid to help protect against accidental drops since it's aluminum, protect your counters. It also increases the diameter of the lid a little bit, so that way you will have more of an edge to grab onto. If you are a barista or working with baristas that move fast, this makes it a little quicker to be able to grab the lid and add more coffee in. If you prefer a more sleeker design, you don't need the lid, but then a part of your operation will be to be a little more gentle to make sure you have a good grip on everything. That's if you want that sleeker, nicer look to it. Thank you for watching.